I looked at the initiative community mining, meant to replace galamsey. I think it stands a good chance of success, but it must be implemented quickly, fairly, extensively. Purchase of products from community mining schemes should be at prices that compare favorably with what gold smugglers pay, who mainly buy them from galamsey operators. There should be the cash to do that. But if we identify a solution and we don't go ahead to implement the solution in an expeditious and prompt manner, then it's no solution at all. So the community mining scheme must be supported massively to succeed. Otherwise, the huge afforestation bills we face as a nation could be replicated in a few short years by the environmental cleanup bills from galamsey and illegal mining. We have recognized the problem and thankfully identified a solution. If we do not take the action required now, whose fault would it be?